Okay, so today, gagawa ulit tayo ng another experiment about AC circuit. So, ang objective natin for today is to create a simple series parallel circuit and measure its parameters using DMM and verify each parameter using our network theorem. Okay po. So, let's get started. So, we will be using this, Leybold constanter AC/DC, 72688, So, makikita nyo, this will be our supply board, Meron siyang DC, pati AC. So, gagamitin natin mag-BAC. Ito po, So, up to 24 volts po yung pwede natin gamitin. And 1 amps, And yung load natin will be, ito lang, mga resistor lang. Yun po yung mga loads na gagamitin natin, Okay? So, yan po. So, para makonect natin yung circuit, we'll be using this jumper connection. 4 jumper lang to. And, okay, so let's proceed. Ito po pala yung circuit na gagawin natin. Okay, so ngayon, gawin na natin yung circuit. So, first, i-connect natin yung ating 1K ohm resistor. Okay? So, okay? Next po is that yung ating 510 ohm resistor. Yan. And ang ating 820 ohm. So, parallel sa 510. So, syempre kailangan natin ng connection. So, yan. This will be our junction. So, and okay. Yan po. So, this will be our series parallel circuit, So, again, supply natin siya ng 12 volts. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng supply sa 12 volts. Ayan. And ito naman yung ground. Okay, so on natin. So, verify natin kung may supply na siya. Measure ulit natin yung supply using DMM or yung voltmeter. Set natin siya ng AC. So, ayan. Tapos, verify natin yung supply, So, our supply, yan, 12.25 volts. So, yung supply natin is 12.25 volts. And then, i-measure naman natin yung voltage across each parameters or each resistor. So, the voltage across our 1K will be, yan, voltage drop across 1K is 9.27 volts. Okay? And the voltage drop across our 510 resistor is 2.94 volts, and in our 820 ohms that is 2.94 volts. So, measure na po natin lahat ng voltage across each parameter. Now naman po is kunin natin yung current flowing on each parameter. So, kunin muna natin yung current flowing sa ating 1K na resistor. Okay? So, syempre, settings natin, punta tayo sa ammeter. Okay? And then, select natin yung AC. So, yan. Naka-AC na siya. Again, sa pagkukuha ng current, tandaan nyo lagi, dapat po si DMM naka-series sa circuit. So, to do that, kung gusto natin kunin yung 1K, yung current sa 1K ohm na resistor, tanggalin na natin ito. Tapos, saka natin i-measure using our ohmmeter. Naka-series na siya. Diba? Yan. So, the current flowing in our 1K resistor is 9.54 milliamps. Okay? 9.54 milliamps. Next, kunin naman natin yung current flowing dito. So, para makuha natin current flowing dito, kailangan natin i-open siya. So, kailangan natin mag-adjust ng connection. To do that, ipat lang natin to, Tapos, mag-jumper tayo from here, no, to here, or pwedeng to here, no? So ngayon, mapapansin nyo, open si 510 decay dito. So, maganda natin ito. So this should be put here. So mapapansin nyo, connected pa rin si 820 circuit, but si 510 ohm, open na siya. Diba? Ayun, no? Open na siya. So, ngayon, open na siya, pwede natin i-measure yung current niya. Doon tayo sa pinag-openan dito. So, we can connect here or here. Same lang yan. Okay, so, connect tayo dito. So, the current will be, the current flowing in our 510 resistor is, yan, 5.89 milliamps po. So, balik na yung circuit niya. Next naman po is yung dito sa ating 820 ohm. So, tanggalin ko na lang to. Tapos, yan, pansin yung open na siya, di ba? Pwede natin measure yung current niya. So, ayan. So, the current flowing in our 820 ohm resistor is 3.64 milliamps. So, again, ayan. So, yung lahat na yan, lahat ng parameters ay nakuha na natin. No? So, ayan, measure natin lahat ng component ng ating circuit. So, now, you can verify it naman using our network theorems. No? You can use mesh analysis or Thevenin's theorem or Nodal's theorem. Okay? Nodal's analysis. Okay? So, yun lang po, and see you again next experiment.